amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Alright guys, so basically I'm back in the kitchen with another recipes with you guys this morning. Simple. I can tell you exactly what I'm going to be using. This one is kiwi, beetroot, cucumber, green apple, and I have ginger and lemon. So all of these we're going to put that into the blender, and also we're going to just simple blend it and make a beautiful smoothie for breakfast, which you guys can also enjoy and to make it for breakfast in the morning if you like to. If you have any one of these you're allergic to, replace it with another fruits what you are not allergic to. Okay, stay blessed. Let's do this. Simple name out the ingredients. We got kiwi, right? We got kiwi, beetroot, cucumber, green apple, ginger, lemon. So all of these will be going into the blender. All right, let's get this one side. Let's get our blender. All right, that's the blender we're going to be using. Excellent. All right, yeah, so you guys can do the same thing. Lovely. So that's kiwi, beetroot, 1 medium-sized lemon, teaspoon of ginger, cucumber, and green apple. All right, let's put the rest of the remain inside of it. Excellent. Everything's supposed to can hold. I don't know, hopefully. Yeah. All right, that looking good. Yeah, don't want to be putting too much because of the blender will be stifling, but it's good. All right, just squeeze it down. Yeah, it's all good. Look at that. Fantastic and amazing. All right, so wow. All right, so what we're gonna do next is put some water, a little bit of water, not too much. Excellent. That's it right there. So we're going to blend it, make a little bit of a noise. Let's put this aside. This is the book From Poverty to Purpose. It's available for you guys to grab on yourself a copy of my brand new book. Let's do this. All right, we can do this. So that's the way it look. Okay.
a little bit heavy, but you don't have to, okay? But sometimes when it's heavy, I strain it. I run it through my strainer. All right. You might just Chef Ricardo getting out of the goody, but you don't have to. You know, you can blend it a little bit longer, but when you strain it, it's smooth and easy to drink. So I like to do it that way. And this is good for you. You get a lot of energy from these natural fruits. At least 10% is into this right here, okay? Yeah. As I said, you don't have to throw away these. You can use it, okay? And as I said, 10% is in this right here, okay? A good vibes. Let's pour it out. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do simple pour it out. That's it, guys. You can see exactly what I've been doing in this one right here. So you guys can do the same thing at home, what I've been doing right here, and make yourself a beautiful drink or a beautiful juice. Is, you know what I mean? You can put pineapple in it, you can put whatever you like inside of it, but if you're allergic to anything, you just change it. Simple. All right, and just add something which you're not allergic to inside of it. All right, that's the way it look. All right, it's a beautiful juice for you to have in the morning if you like to. Okay, yes, very, very good one. It's like, it's even right now is a smoothie because there's 10% of that fiber is inside of it, so that's great. All right, so you can drink it first thing in the morning after you alkalize the body like what I did. Thank you so much, really appreciate it, which I'm going to be doing. So yeah, it's going to be an amazing week. I'm looking forward to it. And also, yeah, it's good to do something healthy in the morning when you wake up. Alkalize the body first and then you can drink this after. It's a basic recipes and you can do this at home. So enjoy it, and thank you so much, guys, for each and every one of you who are watching at this minute. Appreciate it, and have a great day. And yeah, we will catch up with you tomorrow with more recipes and more ideas. So as I said before, you can use whatever kind of fruits you like to use in the morning, which you're not allergic to, and make yourself something great. Stay blessed, and I'll see you with more.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let let's gather around the fire tonight.